born poor, mama was too. Walking through the snow, plastic bags on their shoes. Papa selling houses, sleeping in a car. 4 babies in the backseat, underneath the stars. Well, hey, hey, just work a little harder. Hey, hey, punching that clock with work and prayer and a little bit of luck. Make so much money, need a 10-ton truck. Ha, 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 ha.
Hey there, Paul McMann here with Forex Smart Trade. So glad you could join me this Monday afternoon, October 27th, 2025. I think I'm coming down with the flu, so I'm not feeling that great. So we're gonna try to do this quickly. I am not sure if we will do tomorrow's live trade or not. If you tune in, I will send an email if I'm going to do it. If you don't get an email, I'm not going to do it. But right now, I'm not feeling that great. Here at Forex Smart Trade, we help people trade profitably, and we are so confident we can teach you to do this well that once we train you, we'll let you trade with our money and split what you make, so it's a win-win for both of us. So let's see what the market had. First, we got to listen to this guy.
Due to federal and state regulations, we are providing the following disclosure. Please stay tuned, as this will take less than a minute. Foreign exchange, futures, and cryptocurrency trading are highly risky, and you can lose all the money you invest should you decide to engage in live trading. We are not responsible for your investment, trading, or tax decisions. We are not licensed financial advisors, traders, accountants, stockbrokers, or attorneys. We are not licensed commodities brokers and do not engage in or facilitate commodities transactions. We are not an introducing broker, and we make no recommendation as to where you should invest or what broker you should trade with. As you apply what you learn, we recommend you seek advice from licensed professionals. Any trade results that we show should not be considered typical of our students. We do not and cannot track the results or performance of our students' private trading accounts. We do not know what a typical or average student earns or loses trading. This is not a get-rich-quick program, guaranteed system, or business opportunity. We sell training and trading tools. We make no promises our training or tools will generate future income for students, and you may not make your investment back, including your investment in this training. Any redistribution or recording of this material is strictly prohibited without advance written permission.
We teach with a number of different methods. The first thing you've got to get clear as to why you're here. What's your why? What is it that you're trying to do? Because if you don't have a clear why, even having the tools and the training, you're not going to get to where you want to be. And you will find that when we work with you, that's one of the things we keep testing to make sure you're clear on what your why is. We teach with a number of different tools. We've got a curriculum that's been developed over 17 years that focuses on just what you need to know. And that's what we concentrate on giving you. We do it through videos, we do it through group training, we do it through these live trades, we do it through personalized one-on-one training, which we think is the key element that makes you exceptional at doing this. Where you have somebody who's working with you, who knows what they're doing and can figure out what you know and what you don't know and communicate what you need to know. I do 3 live trades a week. We got this one now, tomorrow, and Thursday morning. Every morning around 9:30, the company does a live trade. Every morning around 10:30, I do a live trade. Every day around 4:30, I also send out an overnight trade setup. When you become a member, you get many more live trades. We are not just teaching you to fish, we're giving you fish in the front end so that you're able to survive and make some money. I'm going to skip this section here. Let's just see what we've got. If you do have a question, schedule some time with me on Forex, smarttrade.com. Best way to see if this is for you is to do our trial. I'll give you access to the indicators, and I give you some one-on-one training. So with that, let's check real quick. We are technical traders. We are trading based on the price action, but news does impact currency pairs. So we want to see if there's any news events that we need to worry about and trade around. And yellow is low impact. We ignore those. I ignore the orange. We don't have anything until tomorrow night on the Australian dollar. So with that, we're going to just go ahead and take a look and see what we've got. We've got 10 different trade strategies, or a dozen different trade strategies. And the trade I'm going to do for you today is something called the 10-point trade. There are 3 sections to the chart. The middle is the majors and minors. The top is the TNT. The bottom is the pressure. And basically, I'm looking for situations where all 3 of these are in agreement. And that gives me a high probability trade. So I start with the middle section, which is the majors and minors. I am looking, the red and green line is the major indicator, the black and gray is the minor indicator. I am looking for situations where we're overbought, which means the lines started above the blue line and are going down, or oversold, they started below the red line and going up. So here we started above and we're going down. 4 things I'm looking for: 1, that we're overbought; 2, that they're all going down; 3, that I've got this cross, double cross, where the red is crossed over the green and the black is crossed over the red, or the gray, and that the slope on the green line is better than 45 degrees, which it is. So I've got all 4 here. When I have all 4 here, I look up to my TNTs and count how many lines are supporting what I'm seeing here. 2 orange lines are coming down, 2 blue lines are coming up. So all 4 are in agreement. I need at least the 4. I've got sideways pressure. What makes it sideways is the red's going down, green's going up. And red's on top, so that's a point. Let's take a look at the full chart. I have a second confirmation step. And I want to see these are all both oversold, and they are. The 2-hour and the 4-hour. Now the question is, what's the trade worth? I'm going to drop a little support and resistance in here, and the support and resistance lines become the lines from which I trade within. You can see it's kind of stopped in here, kind of stopped in here, also stopped here, stopped here. Let's take a look and see how much we've got. $13 pips. $3 pips. 10 pips. I think we're going to go ahead and take a. Now, the one other thing I'm going to tell you, I was looking before we came on. I like the AUD Canadian dollar better. There's more slope on the line. It's into the channel. Whereas on the AUD USD, it's not that great yet. And if we look at the I think we're going to take the AUD USD or AUD CAD versus the AUD USD, and we'll take it for 10 pips. So open up your MetaTrader if you have it, AUD CAD, new order. We're going to do lot size of 2. Market sell. Right click. Modify. We're going to do 10 pips and 30 pip stop loss. And so we took a 10 pip sell with a take profit of 0.91609, 0.91609, 0.92009. That's all we're going to do for today, guys, because I'm not feeling that great. So if you want to learn to trade, you need to find somebody who's good at it and get them to teach you. We will, and we're so confident we can make you profitable. We'll let you trade with our money. All right, so have a great evening, and I'm going to send out the overnight trade in just a minute, and we'll see how I'm doing tomorrow morning if I'm going to do the live trade. All right, thanks so much. Bye-bye.